Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find color eye filter on TikTok and how to use that filter. So I'm in TikTok camera and at the bottom you can see this effect button. Tap there. Now tap on trending. As you can see, it's in Valentine Day. Tap on trending. Now search for this. Okay, this is the filter. Smiley with blue eyes. Remember this image. Tap on this and that's the filter. So to use this filter, just cover your eyes and your eye color will change. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.